Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tara. Thank you for being here today. If you would like to see how I got this look using my Going Coconuts palette and my Lily lashes, please keep watching. Super cute. We're gonna go see some holiday lights tonight. Thank you so much for being here. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell if you want to. It really helps me out. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Anyhow, just watch the video. Okay, so I have two new palettes here. I got the Colourpop Honey palette, and I got the Going Coconuts palette. I know these are kind of two of the really popular ones that they had come out with. This is the Going Coconuts. Super pretty. The name makes it seem like it's like a summer type of palette, but to me anyways. But it can be used, I think, year round. This one definitely to me rings as like a summer palette, but I was so interested in it when it came out. I just didn't order it. It looks just the same on my phone. But for today, I think I'm just gonna be using the Going Coconuts palette. These are $12. Some people have codes, and I used, I think, Raw Beauty Christie's code. I think it's just Christie. To save a little bit of money on already like affordable products, so I think that's kind of cool. Oh, also I got the precision blending sponge from Colourpop. So I thought that this was gonna be like a face sponge. I mean, I guess you can use it for a face sponge, but it's kind of little. I do like it, so I'm gonna see if they have a bigger one, and this was $5. So I'll see if they have a bigger one because I really like the texture. Also, so I pulled out my P. Louise base again to give it another try. I literally had like the best brow week ever until today when I was gonna film. I don't know what I did in a past life to deserve this karma. Let's swatch a couple. So let's do Get Crackin', Cocoa Crush, and Palm Reader. All right, so Get Crackin', that's pretty. Cocoa Crush, and Palm Reader. Those are really pretty. So taking this, what is this, Bodyography Pro flat shader brush, and I'm just gonna go into Shredded right here, and I am going to set my entire eye with, well, the lower eye with this. Oh yeah, I can set my whole eye with that. So I've used Colourpop shadows before, and I already know that I like them and how they perform, but they perform really, really nicely. I'm gonna go in with my Luxie 205 tapered blending brush, and I'm gonna go into Colada right here. Look at that, that's awkward. Is that why people do this? Who cares? And buff that on my crease. Nice mirror for anybody who cares. I still can't like get behind like holding the palette, and I'm trying, but like holding this palette, and it's not even big. I think I'm gonna jump into Nutty right here and start like working on my outer V using this little tapered brush. It's Colourpop E9 brush. It's kind of big actually. I should have grabbed a smaller one, but we'll just go with it. And I'm really not getting any like not any, but like a whole lot of fallout. So that's also really nice, especially since I tend to do my base first, usually. Okay, so it looks like super intense right now, but I'm gonna take my first blending brush and kind of buff over any harsh edges. Just lightly. So let's jump into like Get Crackin'. I don't know, I kind of wanted to keep this cool. I guess that's kind of neutral. So coolish neutral palette, and yes, there is a difference. So let's do a little bit of Get Crackin'. I really want to use Da Coco and Cocoa Crush in my look today as well. So let's just, I think maybe do like a little finger situation. And this formula right here reminds me of like the, what is it? Maybe it's not the, what does it go? Like the glitters, the metallics, something, then the mattes in the Tati Beauty palette, but it's that something row and I'm too lazy to grab it, that this actually kind of reminds me of. So like a cheaper dupe. Gosh, I know you can't really see that like on camera, but it is just pretty. Or you can see how it like shimmers. That's how it shows up on the lid. So pretty. Okay, so going back into Nutty, the darker shadow, and just kind of marry these two together. Now we're gonna go into Cocoa Crush with our finger and then work that towards the inner corner. Giving my little press-on nails another shot. I ordered some nail glue instead of the stickers. If you watch that video, I should learn how to link the video. Maybe I can hustle my husband into doing that. And they are staying on. They look cute. So I'm gonna jump back into my crease and like kind of blend out what we got going on the lid and add a little bit more color into our crease. I really like this so far though. And not block. Let's take a little bit of that Culotta and put it under. When it comes to your lower lash, like don't be afraid to like really smoke that out, especially in your 30s, because we got more fine lines and wrinkling and like it really helps mask that. So just go for it. All right, so I'm gonna jump in with this Luxie 221 flat definer brush. Luxie's is some of my favorite brushes. I know they're cruelty free. I think they're vegan. I'd have to double check, but I love Luxie brushes. And just tuck this into this lash line. Husband's over there sniffling. I love how like sultry this palette is. So I really wanted to use this Da Coco color, so I'm gonna add a little shimmer to my lower lash line using that. And I'm just gonna use this same brush and just kind of work that into the lower lash line as well. This is a clean Morphe M506, one of my favorite brushes. It's got like a long hair. don't know if you can see it, but I can trim it. But I'm just gonna kind of blend that out with this. And then I think I'm gonna add some more colada to this brush and smoke it out. Yeah. So I'm only really getting like fallout from the little glitters, which happens, the shimmer shades, that kind of falls on the face, which is fine, easy enough to fix. And even still, like, it's Christmas, I don't care if I have glitter on my face. We're going to some lights tonight, like, oh well. But what I'm gonna do next is, okay, so I'm gonna take this Morphe M504 brush and I'm just gonna buff over the entire look. Not the entire lid, kinda. Just really spread this around and smoke it out. One step that I have been doing lately is taking my Jaclyn Hill Luminous Powder in Carrots. So this, I am really going for a cool tone look, and this is a little bit more warm tone, but I love what this does to my brow bone. I don't know, it just kind of, it adds a little bit of color and a little bit of shine, like highlight, and it just kind of makes the whole from like crease, lash line to brow like smoky, and I love that. I love like almost even like messy, smoky brow. Boom. No, messy, smoky eye look. What am I talking about? Honestly. Yeah, that's fine. It didn't take away from the coolness. So I'm gonna do Palm Reader, and then I'm gonna put Cocoa Crush on top of it and see what that works out. I feel like it'll light up Cocoa Crush and kind of give that gradient that I'm trying to stick with. So I'm just gonna use the same Bodyography Pro, and I'm just gonna use the other side that's a little bit cleaner to do that, because with these nails, I can't get in there with my finger. And just tuck that right in here. Now go over it. Yeah. Let's clean up a little bit of the glitter that fell down. So I'm just gonna take my setting powder and my Let's See 522. This is a tapered highlighter. I love this for under the eye. It's just such a good little brush. Take a little bit of that and just kind of upward motion. This is the RCMA setting powder. All right, I'm gonna put on some lashes and I'll jump right back in. I'm just gonna do that off camera real quick. All right, so lashes are on. I used Lily Lashes in Boston. I really, really like this style. Lashes are on, they're setting in place. And once you get your lashes on, it kind of shows you like what more you may want to add, if anything. So I think I'm gonna add a little bit more of the crease color. Okay, and then I am gonna line my lower lash line with the NYX Inner Eye Brightener in Linen right here. So now for a lip, I think a red lip would look great with this look. Okay, so I'm gonna use Mud Cosmetics lip pencil in red, and I think I'm probably just gonna cut this out and come back with my lip on, because this may be a chore for myself. Okay, so this is a completed look. I really love how smoky it is and sultry. It's gonna be perfect for seeing the Christmas lights tonight. Even the red lip, like, not mad at any of it. Anyhow, like, subscribe if you want to, hit the notification bell, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.